Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, it's summertime now. I'm going to go on the road and I'm get some pumpkin. Yellow pumpkin, alright guys? And now we're gonna make some pumpkin soup, original Jamaican pumpkin soup. We have chicken foot here, some people say chicken feet, and we have some chicken, the bony part and the chest part, you know the bony part or something. And a little extra fat on it. Alright guys, so we're putting chicken in here and the chicken foot. You can chop them if you want, alright? We're gonna let this boil for a little bit first. Alright.
With the corn.
Oh, we have corn too, yeah. I'm gonna put the corn and the pumpkin together. The chicken foot. With that. I like to take off the fat, extra fat. Move, you see the fly? Love me. Alright guys, so we have to take off the extra fat off of it. And my husband saying wash it in a vinegar. Okay. So over here now guys, before I put all of that, we have to go crush 2 pegs of garlic and put in there. Alright, wash it already. Put it over there. So put some pimento seed. Alright, a little bit of salt for start, not too much because we're going to put cock soup in. Alright. And we're just gonna let this boil. Boil for about half an hour. Half an hour to 45 minutes. I have some corn here. In my mind, guys, I think it's a Canadian corn, the soft corn, the sweet corn. And you know, so them the one that easy to cook, but a Jamaican corn name, so you know, so you have to boil them a little bit. Alright? So I'm gonna put the corns over here with the chicken foot. I'll make them boil. Alright? Just like that. Okay? See? Alright. And then what I'm gonna do off camera, guys. Hope I good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these thin like that so them can cook and mash out, okay? After about half an hour, them not cook yet, you know, guys, but now I'm gonna put the pumpkin in there. You see how them yellow? Oh boy, I tell you, cause I want the pumpkin them to mash out, alright? Alright. We're gonna take up that, guys. A few pieces drop under here, so we take them. Put them in there too. So the pumpkin I gonna mash out. Also gonna put one chocho in there, guys. Jamaican people know about chocho, right? Yeah, we're gonna put one chocho in there. See, super come on good there. I want a whole pot. My husband belly I go bust tonight, yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna let this boil for another half an hour or so, and we're gonna come back. I have about a cup of flour, and I'm gonna put another half cup of corn. And a little bit of salt. This is a really refined corn, guys. Why this and salt now?
On the next side.
No, I don't want to come out this push. Alright, that's it. And guys, basically you just have to mix it up. And you take it over there, so I just add half and half. So half, and you cup half, half boiling water, and add some cold water. So this is hot stuff, guys. Hot stuff. I always make it with warm water.
Mosquito everything.
Yeah, I put half on, but why? You know, I'm going to miss my concentration, so my dumpling was spoiled, you know.
I made dumpling better than you.
When? Give me the time and here. We start it up. Everything mashed out, alright guys, so we are going to peel the food, see there? Real soup, that. I'm going to put the Irish in there. That's it. Soft and nice. You see how soft and nice it is? You see this? Alright, we're going to put this one side. Alright guys, I have some Irish here. How much Irish is? 2. We're just going to dice them up. And we're going to set it in there. I want a whole little soup, you know, guys. It doesn't matter, just cut them up.
Use.
Wash your hand. Look how soup rich and nice. Whee! Alright guys, so I'm gonna peel a piece of this yam. I don't think I wanna use all of the yam. You know? It's a lot of yam. I peel it in this, okay guys? Easy. And we have dumpling. The one market go buy yam, guys. And banana.
How much per pound?
$2.50. About 2 pounds. And we skin it out like that. Just gonna cut it up in some bite size. Alright. Oh, when I make it look like in a good so. Rinse them off. Okay. I understand that. Alright, and then you just want to rinse them off a little bit. I'm gonna put them in the pot. You know I'm on that in there, no? Alright guys, give this a little stir. Look there guys. Woo!
Coming together.
Alright. See? Cover it a little bit.
Just need half, you know.
Half a breadfruit, right? Alright guys, we're gonna do half a breadfruit. We hardly could have get no breadfruit guys. So this one look like it might be full. Or you need cut this one. Come back with some fresh water again. And we have half a breadfruit, alright? What do you say? You think we can peel breadfruit? I feel your knife dull.
You do breadfruit, you cut the heart out first.
No, you can't cut out the heart first.
That's how we do it.
How you know when you have peel it? Where you hold on pan?
You cut the heart out and then we peel after.
Me have for your country are two different countries. You gotta peel it. Why this is the best way? How you get to grip yourself and hold on to something while you peel the breadfruit and you turn it around like this now, you cut out the heart. Yeah, that's how you go. And you cut it slant so. This can cut in about 4 pieces. Yeah, that one. That's how you go. See it there? You see it? So you go. Yeah.
That's how I learn it, but I'll accept it.
That's how my mama teach me.
We agree to disagree on this one. But it's still good.
The part you cut out, you know. Whee!
You're gonna put it in the video.
I cut out the part there, guys, because he's wrong.
No, wrong. It was my way. Your way. Yahweh.
Jamaican. Jamaican peel breadfruit. Okay, let's pour this. Alright. Alright, look hardy. Just kind of skin it like this. I'm just gonna cut the carrot like this. I like them like this. You know when you can get a bite of the carrot? You can put them in two if you want. But I like them like this. Piece of it drop. Somebody hungry.
Yeah, put a pepper in the pot.
Yeah, man. We'll put the carrot in here now, guys. And the breadfruit really easily cooked. That's why you see me not put the breadfruit in there yet.
You can put it in.
We are waiting for the chicken to cook. You want to roll up or dumpling? Oh my god, because the corn is so soft, it's so moist. Some small dumplings. Guys, you can also make some roll up like this. Some roll up. The rest in the dumpling. See? You want to pause my video? Hungry already?
No.
Alright guys, I'm going to give this exactly 5-10 minutes and I'm going to add my breadfruit. Alright guys, yes, we give this about 15 minutes and everything cook. Me like when my food mash out, chicken food cook. Yeah. Alright, yam everything cook. So now what we're going to do, I'm just going to put the breadfruit, give it exactly 5 minutes guys, and then I'm just gonna add my scallion and all of them something there. Alright guys, 5 minutes we tell you, breadfruit look alright now. Now we're just gonna season up this pot. Enough water in there. You know, burn. Everything's seasoned. Alright? Good. Oh my god, my husband, you come with all the time in the world. Why do you love so much time? I put some time in there, guys. I know my husband loves to put a lot of time. That's good. We have put some scallion and you beat the scallion like this. So cut it in two. Put some scallion in this one. And we wash one scotch bonnet pepper. Put that. We have one cock soup. We have put two.
Grace.
Then my weedy yard out the guys up here. Do like this, so you know, stick to anything. One pumpkin. I like to put two. You can put one if you want, guys, but I like to put two, make it rich and nice. All right.
You may need a little more.
No water. No. You know, here Omar said, "You know, make soup and go gully. Ketchup up. I don't like too water. Let this cook and simmer down. Let me taste it. Everyone. Oh, it's hot. Take a little salt. Put a little bit of salt, guys. It take a boil long, so we taste it after, right? I'm gonna just put one Maggi cube because I like the taste of it. Just one little, right? Alright. And that's it, guys. We're just gonna let this simmer. I'm gonna turn down the stove way down. Give this about 10-15 minutes and we're gonna come back. Alright guys, this done. This is soup yellow. Stove off, alright guys. So this is it. This is how I'm cooking my Jamaican pumpkin soup with some chicken foot. Yeah, cornmeal dumpling, yam, breadfruit, and yam. Irish. Alright. Alright guys, if you want it thicker than this, you can still make it good, but this is good. I'm just gonna share out some. My husband, you see soup? You ready for some?
Rich and nice.
Rich and nice? Alright. We have some pretty bowl over here. I'll show them my bowl. Alright guys, so let's share out some. Ooh. You want the corn one side? One side, right? Put the corn one side or after? So we'll put one dumpling. How much? Two dumpling or one? Two?
One.
One? I'll put one in mine. Alright, we get some breadfruit. Where breadfruit? Do you see a breadfruit mash out?
Mash out.
Yam. Where's soup spoon? So we get some yam. Oh, your spoon fancy though. Wow, this is a restaurant soup. Chicken foot mash out, you see? See, rich and nice? This is hot. Put the ass up.
That's it.
That's it? I want to look
So
at chicken. Yeah, I know chicken mash out.
That's what you want to do.
Ooh, alright, that's it, eh? Tanta. You can't find any chicken. Where is the pepper? You see pepper anywhere?
No. Just want to meet up money one at a time. Oh, you find it?
Put it okay. Put one piece of corn. Whew. Something like that, right? That's good.
That's it for now.
So good. Oh my god. Oh my god, the pepper's strong, you know?
Take it on.
Sure, mine. So I want yam. You know me love my yam. I'm a breadfruit, you know. You know me love the breadfruit. You can't find the breadfruit.
Boil on.
Boil out. Breadfruit, you know. Hot though. I'll eat the corn later.
Put some soup.
You see soup rich and nice? Alright. It tastes good too. This is real Jamaican pumpkin soup, pumpkin chicken foot chicken soup. Yeah, with some corn and all of that. All right. This is for my husband. He's gonna dive in it, and I'm gonna dive in it. All right, guys. This is it. Love upon me, and I love upon you. Yes, rich and nice. All right, guys. You have a good day. Tell me how it tastes.
Excellent.
Excellent. All right, guys. You see, take out the pepper for burn out your behind. My husband say excellent. All right, there you have it. Have a good day, guys. Yes, when the Jamaican woman them can cook. Plus plus. All right, guys. Bye. One love.